Welcome. This is Pedro here. I'm just relaxing and I thought I should quickly do the analysis for the week. This analysis is going to be focusing on GU and USD specifically. Um, we're going to look at what the market has what obviously trading with these which they have. So which 43 is what we're looking at this week. So first and foremost, I'm going to um, uh, put a little bit of information out there because of what has been going on in the market. These few days that we try to trade, especially on Monday last week, we tried to trade online and we had two opportunities to trade and we had a loss on those trade. And it was due to this market that was consolidating. As we can see on my chart right now, this is GU right now. You can see this is daily time frame. We have multiple consolidation of days, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So throughout last week, we're having consolidation. So, and I told you guys that I'm waiting for the market to break out of this. So we had a break, but unfortunately, after the break, the market began to retrace. So this is where the problem is. So we had a break of structure over here. You can see, but still the market began to retrace. So the problem we have now is this market going up higher as retracement, or is it going to eventually break this high and continue to the upside? So we're going to look at that today. So let's see the few information that we have got uh, to do that. The first thing is I want to talk about is the key levels that are there that the market has shown to us. We have to look at the key levels that the market has given. The first thing is the strong area here that we see, this area here, trying to identify what is going on here and then break out of that. So let's do the analysis first to know what we should be doing this week 30, this week 43. Firstly, there are two major psychological levels I want to talk about. Is 3100 and um, yeah, 3100, and also we'll be looking at 30, um, 3100, and also we'll be looking at 3500 psychological level. I think those are the levels. First, let's mark out 3100. The first thing is to look at what the market has done within this area. We can see that the prices obviously just rally up the next day without hesitation. And what we want to look at is this area of interest. So I'm going to draw two lines. First is this line. And I will change the coordinates to 3500. Okay, that's 3050. So that's the level. That's the first one. And I will draw another psychological level, and that would be 3100. So that would be 31 psychological level. So that's the one. Now, these two psychological level, listen to what I'm about to explain. Very important, because you can notice that those area is where price consolidated for a few days and then drop below it and now retrace back into it. We can see rejection going on. So this is where I want you to pay attention. Now, on the daily entirely that we're here, we're looking at this daily picture. You observe that we have been bullish for a while. We've been bullish for a while. And then price decided to take out this low. So now we have a break of the structure low. What we think is going on is a short and medium, a short term retracement. So that means we are observing a short term retracement from here. As you can see, I put my feet there. So now, the reason I created that psychological level is for us to understand where the market is going to be retracing. So here, I have look at this area and wait for price to come back to 61 before we look for any opportunity to sell downside. This is exactly what I'm anticipating. But we can't just wait for the market to get all the way there and then do not trade. So the best thing we want to do is to trade along with the market as it's retracing up. So that's why I say mark this to psychological level because I'm going to narrow down for the smaller time frame, like the 1 hour, to explain a few things to you. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Maybe I will, maybe I have to go to the 4 hour to explain a few things. Let's go to the 4 hour first. So if you stay on the 4 hour time frame, you will notice that the market is consolidating on psychological level 3,500. Okay. Now, what we want to see is the price break above that. If price break above this level, if we find a price break above this level, which is the psychological level, and break above and close above it, then we should be expecting a pullback and a continuation. Now, if it breaks above this high, this level here, okay, then we know that we are going to be having a short-term retracement to the upside. So it's going to continue to the upside to 61. Okay, if price break above this 31, then we're going to be having a short-term retracement to the upside. In other words, all these imbalances will have to be filled. Only thing I will stop the price is this other block range here. The form. We will not be looking at price rejecting from there, start selling. So there is opportunity for us to buy the market this week from levels to levels, from level to level, from levels to levels up till this big level, which is 71. And if you notice, that is 33 psychological level, 1.33 psychological level back. So that 1.33 psychological level is a major key level that we should be anticipating the price will reverse. But if price fail, let me mark that again, psychological level 131. So let me put it 133. Let me put the coordinates. So let me show you. That's it. You see, there is a intersection between that psychological level and the feed treatment level of 71. So what we're expecting is price rejects there. If price break above that level, we have a potential reversal in the market. That means we're not bullish rally. So the bullish market has continued. So there's nothing stopping it. We're going to just keep going up. So this is the area we're anticipating that this reversal will get to, this retracement actually, this retracement will get to before coming back down. And if it fails in this area, then we're looking at a reversal altogether this week. So now, how do you trade this market? Very simple. On the lower time frame, if you trade the 15 minutes, if you trade the 1 hour, if you trade the 30 minutes time frame, whatever time frame you trade on the lower time frame at these levels, expect price to break above. If price break below and close below and refuse to break above this 31 psychological level, 1.31, then you're looking for sell. That means it's going to resume the sell trade. So we should be expecting price to continue selling if we fail break above this 31. But if we break above this 31, then we have what we call a short-term retracement to the upside. I've already explained that. But if it fails to break above this 31, for sell. If price rejects and started dropping, and then on the lower time frame we have structure, then we're going to be looking for sell to the downside. But if it break above it, we're going to be buying. So The question is, what do you do? Last time frame. This when you wake up tomorrow morning. What you need to do is to look at the price here on the lower time frame. Like for instance, you go to 15 minutes. Look at what price is going to do at this level. If we break out any of this structure and pull back, we have a pullback, break of structure, and a pullback into this zone. So we test, then we are anticipating it. So then you should be targeting this key level as your next psychological level, which is 50 pips in differences in between. That is enough to start your day or start your week. Then target that level and expect price to break above or reject. If you reject and drop again, wait for price to break below this level before you can continue selling. You have to look for structures. I say you have to look for structures, and time will not permit me to go into all of that. We're doing analysis right now. So these are the things you have to do market on GU. So that's exactly what I'm going to do to you as well. So it depends on what you're looking for and how you intend to trade. Mark these psychological levels strongly. If price break on the smaller things, then break structures and find a pullback, I'm going to buy. And if it breaks above this point, I'm going to keep back. But if you reject at this level and drop, give me market structures. So that's exactly what I'm looking for this week. So this week, I'm still expecting price to do a bullish rally. I'm expecting price to rally up and touch because on the higher time frame, we begin to see on the daily a retracement going on. So if we go to the 4 hour, for instance, um, the 4 hour time frame, we can now see that bullish rally is going on. So we just want them to break the structure to the upside a little bit. That is when, remember I said, that psychological level 31 is very important. If price break that level, we're rallying up on a short rally to the upside. Okay. All right. Let's look at Euro USD. On Euro USD is the same thing. I'm going to be looking at the same thing in Euro USD. Um, mind you, Euro USD. Let me go to the daily. Let me show you. Let me show you something on the daily for Euro USD. Now, the Euros USD have done a massive drop already. So I could be expecting a retracement as well. So retracement. So it's the same thing. We're going to be expecting a retracement on Euro USD as well. So this is daily. So the next thing is to expect more push up to 38, at least a proper retracement to 38. So the next candle will go bullish. The next candle will go bullish. The price get to that level of retracement, which may be 38, the first reaction, or another level, which is um, um, 50% level of 6% of that. That might look a little bit too simple, but I want you to follow the analysis using psychological level. Because if you see here, we have major psychological level here at this level. Right? Okay? So that's the very strong area to expect price reaction. So I'm expecting price to react to this 50% psychological level. And you can see price action that testify that price may eventually come down. Because you can see price has done that in the past. So I'm expecting price to come up in that area. So on Euro USD, the same way we're expecting a pullback on GU, the same way I'm expecting a pullback on Euro USD. That means a retracement. The question is, when should we know that the market is changing direction from a sell to a buy? A reversal is happening. Of course, we might have a little bit of structure given to us. So the market may give us a structure, sort of like price pushing up and then rejecting and then creating a push up to go higher. So this one will become a break of structure. And then confirming that price was going to go bullish is when price fails to reverse, to reject at 71% of the Fibonacci retracement. If it fails to reject that, then we know it's going to take all this time. Entirely because of the liquidity in this area. We have several liquidity there. So we have liquidity to remain all these things. So until this formation happens, we may not be able to know. And remember, this is daily time frame. So there's a lot of momentum, a lot of movement that need to take place. Several months, maybe 1, 2, 3 months have to be put together to get that done. I'm not sure. Maybe 1 month, maybe a few days, but depending on the momentum, the volume in the market. So this is exactly what we're looking for to trade on these pairs, on these two pairs, Euro USD and GDP USD. So remember, we are already getting on in assessment. So watch out as price break above this side, create a new candle and formulate to the upside. And then remember, we are anticipating that price will come to the 50% psychological level, which is also aligning with Fibonacci level, which is also aligning with the major psychological level right there. Should be anticipating that price will drop. If it fails, then the next level we should be looking at is the Fibonacci resistance 71. If price fails, then we are on a reversal side. So that's what we're looking at. But meanwhile, we are going to be buying until we get to 50% Fibonacci retracement. Here, price line up with price action here. This support that was used, bouncing off and come back to break it. So we're expecting price to retest. So what I'm expecting is a retest at that level. So price coming back to retest at this level. That's the reason not forward to that. I'm looking at this kind of behavior. But if it fails, then we know that we're going towards 71. If 71 fails, then it's the reversal because we are now anticipating liquidity grab and then price may pull back a little bit and continue to the upside, which may not be overnight. It's going to be time consuming, take some. So remember, I'm doing the daily analysis right here. So let's look at the 4 hour time frame for instance. Now on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that we are closer. So we need to just get the price to take out this liquidity here on here. And the price take them out, then this is the imbalance that we're expecting them to come tap into and probably reject at that minor order then before price drop massively. So I'm expecting that price will do that this week. So look for opportunity to buy until we get to here. If it drops, no. If it doesn't, then continue upside. Then 71 is the last. So if it fails to drop at that level, then we are going up. But I'm anticipating that price will drop from where I'm at based on price action that was previously there. Then we'll continue to do that. So you can buy all the way here. Take your TP, get out the market, and look for price actions around this place on you. That's it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are on YouTube and watching our videos, listen, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. And in addition to that, this week I'm going to be coming live strong for trading. So ensure that you're ready as well. And we're going to take some trades. Thank you so much. And I'll see you. Till then, keep grinding. Bye for now, guys.